Hello everyone. Today we will learn Subject Max Standard 5th Chapter 2 Shapes and Triangle. We have as we know our topic's name is Shapes and Angle. We have learned in earlier classes about shapes. There are two types of shapes, plane shape and solid shapes. Let's learn about plane shapes. What is the definition of plane shape? Here it is. The shape which we use to draw on a sheet of paper is called plane shapes. Examples are square, triangle, rectangle, circle, oval, etc. Let's see here some more example about plane shapes. Rectangle. Rectangle, we know that opposite sides are equal. It has four corners. Circle. Circle do not have any sides or corner. Next one is square. Square have four sides. All sides have corners. Next is triangle. Triangle have three sides. Each sides have three vertices are there. Next is quadrilateral. Four sides, four vertices. Pentagon. Pentagon have five sides and five vertices. Now next shape is solid shapes. What is the definition of solid shapes? The shapes which are in three-dimensional object or 3D object are called solid shapes. Examples are cube, cuboid, cylinder, cone. Example of solid shapes you can see cube. If we take an example of cube, we play carom, or we can say snake and ladder. In that we use that dice. Dice is one type of cube. Next is cuboid. Cuboid is also example of, we can say example of cuboid is refrigerator. Next is sphere. If we take example of sphere, cricket ball, football, and the globe is example of sphere. Next is cylinder. If we take example of cylinder, then you can say pipe is the example of cylinder. The next shape is cone. Cone is example, we can say birthday cake, or ice cream cone is also example of cone shape. Difference between plane shape and solid shape. You can see in the picture, plane shapes are called 2D and solid shapes are called 3D object. Now let's do one activity. Through activity we learn about shapes. Here you can see two twin sisters who loves to do work together. One day both of them started making shape using matchstick. Their friend called Shaila come to with them, and Shaila challenged to both of the sisters. What was the challenge? Let's see. Rohini will make a shape. Mohini has to make the same without looking at it, but she can ask the question. So here is she gave the challenge. Now both the sisters started making, means Rohini started making a shape, and that shape Mohini also have to make by asking question. Mohini don't have to see the shape what Rohini have made, but she can ask the question and she has to make a shape. Let's see how she draw. Now Rohini draw a shape. You can see her shape. With the use of matchstick, she made a hexagon. Now Mohini will ask the question to Rohini. Okay, so Mohini asks, is it a closed shape or open shape? Then Rohini replied that it is a closed shape. Now next question, what Mohini asked, how many sides are there? Rohini replied, it has 6 sides. Now Mohini had made with the getting answer, she get the 2 answer from the Rohini, so she made a shape. You can see here shape what Mohini has made. She used the 6 sides and the shape is also closed. But here the shape is not as Rohini. Rohini, whatever shape she made, it is not same as Rohini. So her answer is, means whichever shape she made, it is wrong. So now again she tried. Again she tried and she make a this shape with the help of matchstick. Here also you can say she used 6 sides and the shape is also closed shape. But then also her answer is wrong. So now Mohini get tired but got different. Mohini get tired again but got different shape. Guess and make 2 more shape Mohini could have made. You can also make different types of shapes. You can also try like this way. Now Mohini is now tired of trying it again and again. So she asked to Saila what to do. So Saila gave her a suggestion that if you ask for angle that match mastic make at the corner, you can do it. Now Saila asks that Mohini gets idea and she tries to make as the angles from Rohini and she make a shape. You can see in this picture this shape was made by Rohini and these 2 shapes are made by Mohini. You can see the difference between shapes. Here in this shape 2 angles are smaller and the 4 angles are bigger. While you can see in Mohini's picture shapes only 1 angle is bigger and remaining are smaller. In this also you can see none of the angle is bigger. That's why Mohini's angles is incorrect. Now let's do practice. Practice some, we can say. Look at these shapes and answer. The angle marked in blank color is the biggest angle. Here question is that the angle marked in blank color is the biggest angle. From this angle you have to find which is the biggest angle. Yellow mark, blue mark and white mark is given. So which angle is bigger? You can see that this blue mark is bigger angle compared to remaining angle. So answer will come blue color. Next question. Are the angle marked with yellow equal? Now here yellow marks are there that are no here. Yellow marks are equal or not? In this figure we have to see. So we can see that this angle is smaller compared to this angle. So we can say they are not equal. Second one, are the angles marked with green equal? Green mark you have to see this and this. As both the shapes are pentagon and they are same, you can see the angle is same or you can say equal. Third question, are the angles marked with blue equal? Now you have to see blue. Here the shape is octagon and the angles are also same or we can say equal. By this way you can compare the angles of a given shape. Next question, for different angle are marked in 4 colors. Can you find other angle which are the same as the one marked in red? Here red mark you can see in this picture angle. Do this for the other color also, means we have to find for all. So this angle in this pentagon red, this is the mark which is means same angle we have to find in other shape. we have to find the same shape. This is pentagon, so here also we get pentagon. So this shape, this angle is also same. So let's find for another color. Here green color is there and the shape is hexagon. So first of all we have to find this hexagon shape. Here you get this hexagon. So this is a green mark, means this angle. So we have to find this angle is also same. Opposite sides is also same. Okay, so you can mark here either or here. Okay, now next one is violet color. This is octagon. So you have to find another octagon. You get here octagon. So here this angle is, means this angle. So you have to find in this, where is that angle? Here you can find opposite angles are also same. Next, how many different shape can you make by changing the angle between the matchstick in each of these? Try. Okay, let's see how many angles we can make by using 4 matchstick. If I give you, I will give you example. See, you can see here 4 sides. So with the use of 4 sides, how many shapes you can mix? Let's see. 4 sides, we can make this many of shapes. First one is this, second is trapezoid, third is isosceles trapezoid, parallelogram, kite, rhizoid, rectangle, square. You can make as many as with the use of 4 sides. Now we'll take for 5 sides. You can observe here I had made 3 different shapes by using 5 sides. Next, 6 sides. We can use 6 sides and we can also make different size. You can see in the picture, you will get by using 6 sides I have made 4 shapes. Same way you can find for 8 matchstick, 7 matchstick and 10 matchstick. You can make as many as. Okay. So this is the homework for you, that you have to find for 8 matchstick, 7 matchstick and 10 matchstick. Thank you.